Hi, this is Andrew Shepard, and I'm here at the Xponential trade show out in Denver, Colorado. And the Sinclair National U.S. Training Certification Center just completed a series of live, virtual, and constructive technology demonstrations involving first responders. It was a national exercise. It was really exciting. We had our mobile ground control station here in Denver. We had our tactical ground control trailer in Annapolis, Maryland. We had our simulator lab in Dayton, Ohio, and we had live flying UAS connected with first responders in Fairborn, Ohio at the National Center for Medical Readiness. So we had over 70 first responders participating in all those locations with over 150 observers. So it was a really true national level event, and really is a highlight of the technology and the capabilities that we've been able to develop with our partners over the last few years. So we think this is a game-changing capability. It lets people connect in ways that they haven't been able to before. It's more cost-effective. You can add complexity to the environments, and it adds realism in ways that just weren't possible even a few years ago. So we're really excited about it. We'd like to give a shout out to all of our partners at Simlot, Anne Arundel Community College, the Wright State University National Center for Medical Readiness, all of our first responder partners, Ohio Task Force 3, Kettering SWAT Team, and everybody else that made this possible. So thanks everybody, and more to come.